Welcome to the TAP Triggers tutorial. In this module, we'll cover the use and setup of a relationship trigger, which allows us to grant additional roles the permission to terminate a specific workflow. Triggers are set up at the relationship level as they are kicked off by a workflow moving to a new status or a new stage. We'll navigate to the workflow builder in the designer and click on the relationship to reveal the trigger control. Triggers are a simple tool that give us the extra flexibility of assigning new roles the permission to terminate a workflow. This helps in situations where we only want certain users to be able to cancel a workflow at a specific point, or if we require additional new users to be able to cancel that same workflow. If they opt not to cancel, then the workflow will continue as normal. Setting up a trigger is rather easy and only requires us to know the roles to which we need to assign the additional permissions. To do this, let's click on the Triggers control to open the Setup menu. We'll add in a new trigger and give it a label so we can easily identify it. The only option we have at the moment for triggers is the Update Terminate Workflow Access option. This will be the default selection. Next, we will select the roles we want to provide the additional access to. Click on the search bar and select all the roles that apply. The last thing to note is the Disable Trigger check, which can be used to quickly turn off a trigger if it is not needed. It can be reactivated later by simply unchecking the box once more. Triggers are a rather simple control type, but serve a strong purpose when called upon. This concludes our module covering triggers and the specific situation we might use them. In other modules, we will see other control types that are far more customizable and give us far more range of use. Thank you.